president and I spearheaded Elite Volleyball Club here in Imus, Cavite.
I might play a little dirty someday, and I'm following fate. They say I'm the chosen one. I know what it takes to be a king, and be the song everybody wanna sing, and bring harmony.
Today we're actually celebrating our 3rd year as an accredited club here in the city of Imus. So our club started, we're just a group of friends.
I was born to be making history, something greater, something higher. Ain't nothing gonna stop this.
Former varsity players wanting to have a distressor in life after shift, after mom life, after what we do every day, and na-miss maglaro ng volleyball.
Napunta ako sa AVC 3 years ago. During that time, papawis lang kami and naghahanap ako ng venue ko ng paglalaro from badminton to volleyball. Nanatili ako sa AVC gaya ng reason ko before. Sa pagpapawis, also, mas nakatulong yung mga tao na manatili ako dun sa AVC.
Be the chosen one, yeah. I never had a safe place to hide. Run to the end of the tunnel to find.
But I guess that's one way of being successful. You need to learn the skill of not being liked. Kailangan mo yun tanggapin, kailangan mo yun matutunan. But then again, so long as may mga taong naniniwala, may gusto, magpapatuloy ka. Bubuuin mo araw-araw kung ano man yung nawala. Hanggat nakikita mo sa mga mukha nila na naniniwala sila at gusto nila maglaro, sa kung anong panuntunan ng club, magpapatuloy kami.
Napasali po ako sa AVC dahil sa mga invites po ng mga kaibigan ko. Kaya nananatili po ako sa AVC kasi sobrang bait po ng mga members dito. Nananatili po rin po ako dito sa AVC upang mag-improve sa laro, makapag-enjoy kakalaro. A word of advice sa mga bata and especially sa mga veterans, nawawalan ng motivation kapag nagkakamali, lalo na po yung mga baguhang players.
Siguro kailangan lang po nila i-push pa yung sarili nila, maging motivation nila yung error or yung downside na yun para mas pagbutihin pa nila, mas dagdagan pa po nila yung effort sa training, sa game, and sa mga katulad ko naman na ate sa loob ng court. Siguro dapat tayo din yung maging inspiration ng mga bata in terms na i-motivate natin sila in a way na hindi natin sila kailangan i-offend. Dapat yung error nila i-explain natin na sana next time hindi na yun mauulit.
I have been fighting for this dream in my soul, and I won't let it go. You know that you try to keep me down, but I just get higher.
Nakita ko actually sa My Day ko and kaya very memorable yun today kasi sumakto. Yeah.
Kaya dito sa club na to, syempre, loyalty din namin kay C kasi ang laki ng help niya sa amin, lalo na sa best friend namin. Wala na sa mundo, kaya thankful kami sa kanya talaga.
Ang kwento talaga kung ba't kami nandito other than kilala namin yung officers ng EVC. Dahil may utang na loob kami sa EVC dahil nagkaroon sila ng fundraising sa sister-in-law ko, which is best friend naming tatlo due to cancer. And I think doon makikita talaga that EVC support hindi lang sport kundi yung fundraising na katulad na ginawa nila. And for sure madami pang matutulungan ng EVC other than sa app.
Kaya we are forever grateful kay Z and sa EVC. Kaya nandito lang kami para sumuport. We love you, EVC!
Love you!
Of course, I know you asked me bakit nagpatuloy ang EVC. Because of all of them. As much as I wanted to take credit, to be honest, hindi ko siya goal na mag-lead. But I had the urge and I felt it. Ang daming gusto matuto, ang daming palang gusto maglaro.
That's a old me. Got this taste on my tongue, I crave the glory. Gasoline in my veins, be the fuel through my pain. Oh, as we rise from the flames.
Hindi na kasi basta naglalaro kami. So I think dito ko rin nahanap yung deep connection. Dito ko na-meet yung partner ko ngayon, which is si Z, yung president namin ngayon. So, ayun, nakakatuwa. Hindi lang naglalaro ng volleyball. May mga landian on the side din.
No one can follow. Oh, it's time to fire on up. Oh, it's time to fire on up.
Nakakatuwa kasi dito ko nakahanap ng family. Hindi lang basta growth eh. Alam mo yun, meron kaming pagkakaintindihan. Kahit magsalungat kami sa mga ideas, magkakasundo kami sa isang bagay at mapag-uusapan namin. Thank you! Happy anniversary!
I say the struggle reveals how you deal with the monster that's inside you. I don't buy into the luck. I put my faith and my trust in my team. Everything that we done been through. Gasoline in my veins, be the fuel through my pain. Oh, as we rise from the flames.
I didn't really expect na I get a chance to play again in this kind of court. Kasi nakakamiss talaga siya. Nakakamiss siya kung sobrang addict ka maglaro. The joy of seeing them, yung value ng pagkakaibigan, yung respeto sa laro, and so on and so forth, it matters to me every single day. EVC is one of the things I'm grateful for. Kasama yung mga naging kasama namin dati.
Oh, it's time to fire on up.
I just want you to know that I love you with all my heart. Mga tao mula year 1 hanggang ngayon at sa mga darating pa. So, thank you. Thank you so much.
It's time to fire on up, yeah. Pound on your chest like there's
Ninyo! Cecilia! Napakasal! Nag-usap pa kayong dalawa? Huwag po kayong mag-alala. Marami po tayong parapol. Meron po tayong isang sakong bigas. Let's go back to the ball game.